Watson's models. So I want to do a time-lapse video on some rearranging work that I'm going to do down here. In particular, this area over here. Because this is stupid. I mean, I got it's a little folding like TV dinner tray kind of thing holding my airbrush stuff in place. And it just isn't good or healthy to work in. I can't roll my chair under here to work. I have cables everywhere. You know, this situation works from, you know, working on one thing, I can spin and do some finish work on the other, like decals and things like that. And that's cool. But I got to do some rearranging. So the furniture that I got is used stuff. Everything that gets used. I think I gave like $35 for this desk at a government recycle center in New Cumberland. 2 pieces, nice heavy unit. It's perfect for what I got here, right? You probably can't see it in the video. Let me turn the camera around. Let's make some adjustments. And then this is it's a huge drafting table. So there's some adjustments on the side and the whole thing can come up. It's old school, nice solid oak. But I use this to store all of my spare, you know, plastics and things like that, as well as all my balsa wood stuff. Tons of balsa wood for, you know, the shipbuilding projects or whatever. If I just want to use some wood to dress up some of these models. But it's a good table. Unfortunately, it's been a place that things have been sitting on, and so I want to get away from that and start using it as a buildable space. Okay, I found this. I found this on Craigslist. I think I got it for about $60. And I'm like, yeah, I'll take it. Nice, big, heavy-duty thing. So anyhow, I'm going to do some rearranging over here, all right? And here's what I'm going to do. I found this table for $10 today out in Harrisburg, Pennsylvania. It's got frosted glass on one. It's frosted on the bottom. It's a little dingy and funky underneath. I might even spray paint that. I don't know yet. But I think what I'm going to do here is stick it right under that window. And then take this rack and make some adjustments to it and rearrange it. Maybe even throw a board across the 2 shelves. And we can put kits across there or something like that. But this is just... Look at my airbrush station, folks. It's crazy. Just crazy. So I want to time lapse this and we'll see how it works out. Alright, it's kicking my butt, man. This is the wood kit to figure out where to put that. But yeah, this is kind of cool, man. Got a little situation there. So now, in theory, I can roll from one station to the next and be good to go. Now this cable's feeding my safe over there because I've got a dehumidifier in there, so I'm going to reroute this cable. But so hey, $10, man, and the room looks completely different already. It can flow, it can function. Now I got balance issues. So let's maybe put the big one in the middle. What do you think? And then I got more room up there to do stuff. All right, thanks for watching. That's a real down and dirty, getting the freaking model room squared away. And look, this thing's an evolution, right? I mean, when actually, I don't know if one of my old videos I posted on this page shows it, but when I started down here, this is all I had, right? 60, 70% of these paints were in boxes. I had a handful of paints that I was working. As a matter of fact, it was the P-51 Mustang video where I converted a toy for D. Perini. But, whoo! Man, I'm out of breath. It's hotter than hell down here, too. All right, so, all right, people. That's it. Thanks for watching. And get out there and work on your shops. Organize your shops. Build some models. Even if you only put on one part today. Get her done.
Yes, boy.